Bake sale explained. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're diving into a sweet topic that's often mentioned in English-speaking cultures, the bake sale. By the end of this video, you'll understand what a bake sale is, its purpose, and why it's popular. A bake sale is a fundraising activity where baked goods such as cookies, cakes, muffins, and pies are sold. These events are often organized by schools, churches, or other community groups to raise money for various causes. Imagine walking into a room filled with the delicious aroma of freshly baked cookies, brownies, and pies, all arranged on tables, waiting to be bought and enjoyed. That's the essence of a bake sale. The primary reason people organize bake sales is to raise funds. These funds can go towards 1. School projects or equipment. 2. Charity causes. 3. Community events. 4. Helping individuals in need. The idea is simple. Everyone loves treats, so why not sell them for a good cause? Bake sales are popular for several reasons. 1. Affordability. Baked goods are generally cheap to make, so they can be sold at a profit. 2. Community engagement. They bring people together for a common cause. 3. Deliciousness. Who can resist freshly baked treats? 4. Simplicity. Even if you're not an expert baker, many simple recipes can be made and sold. And there you have it. A bake sale is not just about delicious baked goods, but also about community, sharing, and supporting good causes. Next time you hear about a bake sale happening near you, you'll know exactly what it's all about. We hope this video has made your day a little sweeter. Happy learning!